Intel Design once again came to my rescue when I wanted to install solar, and gave me a lot of options, and I've really realized a lot of savings, financial savings, on my monthly TEP bill with the solar that's gone in. What led us to putting in the 2 new air conditioners was the fact that the air conditioners that I had in at the time, that had been in on this house for 6 years from the time it was built, one of them went out. And the assessment was from Intel Design that they were not the best air conditioners that were installed, and I was probably looking maybe at the other one going out within a short period of time. With my luck, it would have been in midsummer.
When anybody calls us up, there's not a one-size-fits-all to every customer. Whether it be brand or SEER or efficiency or filtrations or purifications, it's not just you go in there and this is what I'm going to do. I never know what I'm going to do when I walk in a home. So that's why it's always important to ask the questions up front, just to kind of feel where you're at and see what's best for you and your home and your family, because not everybody are the same when it comes to that. Do you and your wife suffer from any allergens or asthma, hay fever, anything like that?
My wife really suffers with when the bloom comes on the brittle bush, and then when the palo verde and whatnot, the mesquites start blooming. My wife has allergies, especially during the allergy seasons. We had the scrubbers in with the old system. The scrubbers are still there, but now they work in conjunction with the new RespiCare system. And we're noticing that, at least we feel that the air is even cleaner, no real issues, and the noise level is so much less with the new ACs, even working through the scrubbers and the RespiCare system. You almost can't tell that the ACs go on.
When the particulates pass through, they're attracted to this electromagnetic field, which allows not only for the allergens in the home to be greatly reduced, but it also keeps the air conditioner clean. It's going to be more efficient, and it's also going to last longer and have less repairs.
Intel Design's forecast that these new ACs would reduce the cost has come about. My first 2 months with them, my bill has dropped more than $100. This last month, my bill this time last year was $123. That's with the solar and everything, but $123. This month, same month, comparing it to last year, was $18.50.
With the old air conditioners and replacing them, typically you see around a 40% savings like that, but he saw even more than that. I mean, it was astronomical numbers. Intelligent Design, we do both solar and air conditioning systems, and for some of our customers it's a really good match to have both of those. The beautiful combination of those two will greatly reduce the amount of energy and therefore greatly reduce the cost for the customer when it comes to paying the electric company. So they no longer have to overpay the electric company.
It was a pleasure working with Jake and your whole installation crew. They were efficient, they were quick, they were really customer oriented. I think that's why I've stayed with you guys for 3.5 years. And I recommend it. Anybody that's looking for AC or solar, I'd highly recommend, enthusiastically recommend, as a matter of fact, Intel Design.